AutoTURN provides two types of vehicles for engineers and designers to choose from: standard-based vehicles and manufacturer-based vehicles. The standard-based vehicles are design vehicles as defined by the road design guidelines, usually larger than real-life vehicles with more conservative steering. Transportation agencies define them conservatively to ensure the infrastructure and operations can safely accommodate a great variety of vehicles. The selection of design vehicles influences the physical characteristics, safety, and operations of the designed infrastructure. Transoft works with transportation agencies such as AutoTURN, Crow, Vic Roads, and others around the world to create our extensive standard-based vehicle libraries built to comply with the design guidelines. Now available for the Maintenance Assurance Program subscribers of AutoTURN Pro are the manufacturer-based vehicles. These vehicles have been extensively researched and are built to manufacturer specifications. With over 500 vehicles to choose from, these manufacturer-based vehicles will not only help you save time from manually creating custom vehicles for your specific project needs, but will also visually enhance your presentations. Give AutoTURN Pro a test drive. Visit transoftsolutions.com/ATProDemo to download your free trial version today.